Layla,
Hi.
so what is this?
This is fountain.
Can you explain to us what a water fountain is? Put your legs down. I don't want you to fall inside.
Never ever played.
You're not explaining, you're just sitting. Put your legs down. I want you to explain on the video. You ready?
This is what I'm gonna do, and there's liquid in the bottom and it has no soap, no ingredients, and no sugar. Action and the top goes out the bottom and flows down in the stem and turn anything you want. Never ever flow up to the hill and jump, and then everything to your flowers and grow up to fountain water and be moved out to the ocean and anything in America. And anything that's element in America, news or color. Which one is it? News? All right. News is so there's water flowing in this. You have hot water, cold, or burn. Cold, yes! This is cold water. Cold water has no germs. And then vinegar and everything that heavily in it after. And don't forget this water. I can jump. Anything you want. Mermaid, dinner, swim. You can do anything you want. At the top, liquid goes down to the bottom. Liquid just has no idea. No one, anything you do. Oh, look in here. I like the one in there.